You know what? I think keyboards are actively trolling us, and I'm about to expose the conspiracy. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Today, we need to talk about something that's been driving me absolutely nuts. It's like the joke, why does a pirate have a steering wheel on his crotch? Because it's driving me nuts. All right, whatever. I've got to talk about something that affects every single one of us who uses a computer for more than just looking at cat videos, which is probably you, but it's not me. I'm talking about copy and paste. Yeah, I know, super sexy, really pushing the boundaries of entertainment here, but stick with me because this is legitimately making me question reality on a daily basis. Here's the thing. We live in an age where we have keyboards with dedicated buttons for literally everything. There's a button to make your screen brighter. There's a button to control your speakers and volume. There's a button to eject crap. There's a button to open the calculator app. There's a button to start and stop your music. But you know what we don't have? A dedicated copy and paste button. The two most universally used functions on any computer. Let me paint you a picture of my daily suffering. On my Windows keyboard, I'm doing Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V all day. And honestly, it works fine. My hand knows where to go. Pinky on Control, pointer finger stretches to C or V. It's not elegant, it's not comfortable, but it's muscle memory. My hand is basically a copy-paste robot. And then I switch over to my Mac, and suddenly I'm in an alternate dimension where the laws of finger physics no longer apply, because on a Mac, it's Command+C, Command+V, which means now I'm using my ring finger and my middle finger in some kind of bizarre hand yoga pose that feels like I'm trying to cast a spell or do a little hand puppet. My ring finger has to curl up like it's scared of commitment, and then my middle finger fully extends like it's flipping off the concept of ergonomic design. It never feels right. My hand is just sitting there thinking, what the hell is this? And here's where it gets really fun. When you're someone like me who bounces between Windows and Mac throughout the day because I apparently enjoy the torment, or maybe my employer requires me to be on PC and I actually own a Mac, whatever. You sit down at a Mac trying to copy something and you hit Function+C, Function+V, and you just sit there like an idiot because nothing's happening. Why won't it copy? What have I done? Nothing happens because I'm actually not hitting the right keys. And that's when it hit me. Why are we even doing this weird keyboard twister in the first place? Think about it. We have buttons for everything else. I just mentioned it. You could probably put a button on there for ordering pizza, but copy and paste, the two functions that literally everyone uses constantly, every day, every couple minutes, require finger gymnastics. How does this make sense? Who designed the system? And more importantly, why have we just accepted it? Here's what I'm proposing, and yes, I'm being completely serious. We need dedicated copy and paste buttons on every keyboard, not hidden in some function layer, not requiring a modifier key and a blood sacrifice, just two simple, easy to reach buttons that say copy and paste. Is that really too much to ask? Think about how much time we'd save. Think about how much hand strain we'd avoid. Think about all the times you've accidentally hit Ctrl+X instead of Ctrl+C and deleted something important. Don't lie, you've done it. You know you have. And now you're thinking, but Peter, where would these buttons go? The keyboard is already perfectly laid out. Oh, it is? Because I'm looking at my keyboard right now and I see a bunch of keys I literally never use. The scroll lock key, what is that even for? Has anyone ever used it intentionally? And why do we have a num lock key when there's a number keypad right there? Like, why would you turn it off? I don't even get that. And don't even get me started on the pause break key. Why are we pausing? Here's what I'm saying. Let's steal some of that wasted keyboard space right now and give it functions we actually use. Put a nice, big, satisfying copy button right there, and maybe somewhere near the space bar and a paste button right next to that. Simple, elegant, revolutionary. We could even get fancy with it, make them different colors. Copy blue, paste is green. Oh, the satisfying click to that. We could turn copying and pasting into the highlight of our workday. Your sad, sad workday. So, is that really too much to ask? Don't we deserve our own copy and paste buttons? And maybe if we band together, complain loud enough, someone will actually listen. Because life's too short for keyboard finger gymnastics. Peter Von Panda, out.